surprised. Again, I'm not a superhuman, but I knew my body and it was surprising to me. Heart rate variability gave me the opportunity, it did like this to me, and I went, wait a minute. And since I had been monitoring it for a few years up to that point, when it went down and dipped, it caught my attention. So that's one of the reasons why I felt so strongly about doing this program, is because I really feel that it's a tool that you can use. It may not be perfect in how we use it and what we use, but it's a tool that I would like you to also discuss with your physicians. And as Stephanie was saying, they may not know what to do with it. Educate them. And there are, sources of material that I want you to look at that could be really beneficial. Educate yourself, educate your loved ones. The idea that this could be beneficial for the young children who are suffering. This is powerful. So we may not be, we may not have young kids anymore, but our grandkids or our nieces, the people that we know, that we can benefit, that we can teach them, and this coherence, this work to help to level out the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system, is important. And it's something just like Jeannie said, she felt the situation that was challenging to her, knew it was happening, and used her tools to help her stay out of the emergency room. And it was a beneficial thing for her. So, good work. Questions? You guys have been amazing. Heart rate variability, it just sounds like something that people want to go to. So I'm trying to figure out how to give it a better title. And I'll do it again, you guys can brainstorm on that, and how to be a healthy person. Maybe that's what I just need to talk about that, how to know that you're healthy. Because it is kind of a nerdy term, and it can, I do notice, speak quite frankly, is that some of the titles that I give some of my programs, they scare people away, like, oh, what is that? Or, oh, that sounds so boring, or I don't know what that is. There you go, Barbara. There you go. Yeah, how heart rate variability improved your sex life. There you go. There it is. Brava. Yes, there you go. Okay, the next time you see this, heart rate variability, you see improve your sex life with heart rate by understanding your heart rate variability.